at present there is a 25% students are joining the higher education, ma'am. If we build this website, they can be informed and they can join higher education, ma'am. And it also reduces the costly migration by them.
So, ma'am, our platform, our website, ma'am, the website will provide aptitude and interest quizzes. Like if the persons who are studying in, like if the students who are studying in 10th or 2nd PU, it will conduct some quizzes based on their education level. Based on their performance in those quizzes, our AI bot will suggest the course like which is suitable for their knowledge. And there is also course to career pathway, like which like in our platform will visually represent the like course to career. Like if we choose like if we choose science, it will recommend what are the career paths we can go for, like engineering, medical, or like that. It will generate the and it will generate and visualize the flow chart. And then based on that, like nearby courses will be is there in that government college or not, and if it's there, how is the admission process going on. Like it will also provide timeline tracker. Lokesh, can you please move to next slide?
Okay, one more thing. So it is not a stream specific, right? Like
No, ma'am, it
particularly
is
for
not a
the
stream
medicine or
specific.
for the engineering, it's not the
No,
stream specific. So it is applicable for
no,
all the
ma'am.
fields.
Yes, ma'am,
Yes,
it is
ma'am. It's
applicable for
applicable
all
for
the
all the
fields.
students
Okay,
who are
okay.
Mainly
completed their
the
10th or
student.
12th.
Yes, ma'am, it is mainly focused on students who have completed their 10th grade and 12th grade.
12th grade. Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
If we
Like
inform, if we inform those students, we can alert
On
them
what basis
on
this
subject
this
selection.
decides the student strength?
No, sir, it doesn't decide the student strength. So, based on their knowledge, based on their interest,
How
we can
how how,
suggest.
how you predict the knowledge of what students?
So, we will provide
sir,
aptitude
we
test
are
for them
that's why
for all
we
the subjects.
What are the qualities you have to put in this website?
Sir, we have to
sir
provide the aptitude test, sir.
Sir, we are creating aptitude and interest quiz. In that quiz, we will be adding some questions based on their syllabus or other knowledge. So, based on that, if they'll attend those tests, they will get to know, okay, like if they are good at maths, they can choose science. If they are good at other social or English, Hindi, they can choose arts. Based on the quiz they will attend, it will recommend, sir. It will recommend the courses which they can choose.
Okay. Okay, carry on.
Okay, one more thing. Uh,
Yes, ma'am.
so is there any registration form like before entering into the aptitude side? Because they will be entering their interests, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
There will be
Based
landing
on
pages for.
based on that, it will be suggesting the apti classes or like apti tests, like the questions that is framed based on the interest or how it is framed. Like they may be from the engineering stream. Okay, so like
Yes,
as you
ma'am.
said, it is not stream specific. So
Yes,
like
ma'am.
it might show the medical stream questions as well, right? So
Ma'am,
how you will be sectoring
we
them?
already, ma'am, we already told, ma'am, it is only a platform which will suggest for 10th and 12th grade students. Like for 12th grade student, like they will, the students will give input like based on their interest. If they're like it will give some questions, general questions, ma'am, like physics questions will also be there, biology questions will also be there. Based on their performance, if they do good in biology, it will show courses based on like medical or pharmacy, that kind of courses. If they do good at maths or physics, it will show physics, it will show engineering streams.
That is why there is a CET, right? You have a
Yes,
separate
ma'am, but
CET for medical and engineering and for pharmacy and for veterinary, everything. That is why they are doing the exams, right? And they are giving the
ma'am,
ranks.
yes, ma'am, but some students they'll be still confused which to choose, which to go for. Like if they want to choose JEE or if they want to crack NEET, for that also some students will be confused. Like they won't be knowing if they want to go for, if they're good at maths, if they're good at biology. By attending these quizzes, they'll get to know. By like if they'll get to know they are good at biology, they will attend for NEET, and based on that they will like proceed.
Up to 10th, the students will study the 4 subjects and
General,
the 2 languages, ma'am. So in all the states, generally, so for them the quiz is about all those subjects they have studied. For 12th, we have to uh, take the input of their branch, and which is science or commerce or arts or vocational courses. So based on that, we can provide the aptitude test, ma'am.
Okay, okay. You can finish it off in like
yes,
time is
ma'am.
exceeding. Just one more minute. Just explain the complete detail. Like
Ma'am,
just give a summary.
yes, ma'am. The technical
Just one
approach.
more question.
Yes, yes, sir.
See, uh, and where and how we will collect the data, all these things like CAPT and directory.
Sir, we have some two ways, sir. So
Hmm.
if we build the JS CSV parser, so in that we can upload the data set as a CSV, and we can answer those questions,
How
sir.
much data and where we will collect that large data?
Sir, we will generate a synthetic data using a machine learning programs.
Hmm.
Synthetic data set generating libraries are there, sir.
Are you connecting with any third-party APIs?
No, sir.
Then how?
So we will generate a synthetic data set based on the, sir, if we give the inputs like if we are judging about based on the science, maths, and social science,
Hmm.
we provide the three inputs, and we are generating the synthetic data based on the, if we provide them for 100 marks,
It is completely working on offline or online?
offline, sir.
Offline.
Offline, sir. At present, sir, we haven't deployed this. So,
Hmm. Are you clear?
yes, sir.
Okay.
You see, sir, the softwares like for front end, we are building this web page using HTML and CSS. For front end, we are working on that. In the back end, we'll be using Node.js and database SQL and MySQL. Then data sources, we are training AI models for recommendation.
Okay, go ahead next.
So, finally, flow charts. Student is conversing through the web platform, and we give the AI driven recommendation, and they can decide the career. This is the
Fine.
flow chart of our platforms.
Okay, okay, fine. You can wind up. Like time is already over. Yeah, sure. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Start start your presentation.
Good evening, everyone. I am Shravani. I am from the team Control on Telex. So, our topic is AI powered telemedicine for rural Naba. It is a problem rise from the Punjab government. And our problem statement challenges faces only like in rural places, only 11 doctors for 133 villages with insufficient medical coverages, and patients lose daily wages and traveling for their care. So, our app will help them by giving a telemedicine. Like they suggest, our app suggests the persons from the rural villages to take the medicines as per it contains video consultations and many more. This contains offline records of the health records of the patients that ensures the rural places that network issues are many more. So this helps them to clear the network issues and the offline recording of the patient details, and it also reduces the traveling expenses for the rural cities patients that they many are daily wages, and they need to uh, put the leave for that particular day. So our telemedicine app contains video consultation with doctors, offline digital health records, and real-time medicine availability with AI symptoms checker and easy registration via other phone and email with a multilingual support that contains many languages. So the patients who doesn't know the language in English or any other, they can fix any type of languages as per their convenience. So it also contains some features like AI health chatbot. It works 24 into 7. The patient can take the suggestions from it, and AI medicine provider with also AI image and report analysis. So some patients are like they can't communicate or they can't know how to use our app, so they can use via voice to text for all languages. And our technical approach contains, we are developing an app, Flutter app with the mobile first online support. Also for backend, we have Django plus DRF and also database via PostgreSQL, and the authentication are all from Firebase. And video consultation, we use Jitsi SDK, so it helps for it. And we can also integrate with the government ASHA workers to educate about our app, and as like ABDM and eSanjeevani apps or some else. So thank you. And our app can reduce the travel and financial burden, and also increased access to specialists and better medicine availability with maintaining of health records storage and digital continuity of care. It also contains scalable to other rural regions in India. So its future scope of AI disease checkers and etc. Thank you.
I have one concern here about the security. Um if the patient details, everything is data based, means everything, if you are storing, that means there should be some security, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you
So
thinking about it?
yes, ma'am. This is personalized, ma'am. So the security, all their login details are all stored in database like Firebase, ma'am. It can't be it having highest security, and it gives also it stores the data, ma'am. They it won't leak anything data to other parties, ma'am.
Slides?
No, ma'am. Slides are not yet completed, ma'am.
Are you using any tools here? Dexter?
Ma'am.
Are you using any AI tools here? Any tools
Yes,
to
ma'am.
do that?
Uh, I'm using APIs of AI, ma'am, like Gemini API and Google Cloud Vision for detecting the report analysis, and Gemini API for 24 into 7 symptom checker, and also for some suggestions for them, ma'am, patients.
Shravani, you already told that e-Sanjeevani app is there, no?
Yes, sir.
And then what about your work in that technology?
Sir, other, rather than eSanjeevani, we have many more features, sir.
And also you will put the technology like voice to text, right?
Yes, sir.
The purpose is
The purpose is many don't know how to text or how to control their health issues, so they can say it by their speech, sir. So it converts to text, and AI analyze it, sir.
uh, the one mistake is you already said e-Sanjeevani app. Or you go through that application.
Sir, our app is with bombard of many features, sir. So our app is much more
uh,
better than that, sir.
Much more better than that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's it.
You can hold it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good evening, all. Back camera facing. Back camera. So we are from Team Yukta. हाँ, चुप रहो, पीछे Google Meet चल रही, चलो उधर. We are making. We are from Team Yukti. So from SIH, we have selected a problem statement AI-based smart allocation engine for PM internship scheme under theme of smart automation. So we are making a software website. So in round one, our idea is to solve the mismatching of applicants and ensure the fast delays and reduce the delays with automation. And our innovation and uniqueness is AI match.
Aisha, why are you showing like that? You just present the in that meeting only.
Okay. technical approaches used are
This is not the way to present.
demo. So demo, I'll show demos.
Demo is not showing properly.
So this is our prototype, sir. Now,
Who is showing that?
Aisha, log in your system itself for the Google Meet and share the screen.
One is showing in Shubha, one is showing in Ayesha.
system, okay, okay. System में login होना करते हैं. उनका. देखिए. बैकग्राउंड इसका स्क्रीन शेअर करणे कैसा करणार सो वो मला म्हणजे
You are losing your time. For the time we have provided 10 minutes for each team.
स्क्रीन शेअर कैसा करणार स्क्रीन
Log out from the mobile.
मोबाईल
Now you share the PPT. Time is running out.
Okay, next team. If time permits, we'll listen you at the end. So next team.
Shall we start?
Yes, you can start.
Good evening, everyone. Our project theme is space technology. My my team name is Innover. My project name is Space Mission Nutrition Planner. My teammates are Deepika, Srushti, Meghana Yadav, and Kirtana A. Our the our project motto is how to plan and manage and distribute the foods to astronauts.
Your voice is not audible. Yukta, you just unmute your phone.
So now uh, the mission nutrition planner is a thing that while the space astronauts are going for a space, they'll be carrying only specific amount of food, and in that only they have to manage all the days that they are living in the space. So this will be giving a track on the nutrition benefits. In that only they can manage and help and be benefit for their health and nutrition, so that there be no other disease or any other things will be happening. So next will be continued by Shrishti.
I am Srishti. In technical part, we are using React.js and Tail and
System
CSS
is we are
for
not clear
frontend.
about the.
For forms
Just a
and
minute,
reads
Srishti.
stable start.
Srishti, just a minute.
Next will
We are
be
not clear.
MySQL and MongoDB used for the database.
we are not clear about what you are going, what you are planning to do.
Ma'am, there will be a planning for the food, like while the astronauts are going for a space, they'll be having a small amount of food that they'll be carrying around the uh, space. So if there is any if there is any efficiency in the or the things that they are carrying out, if there is any like what they'll say shortage of the food means, they have to maintain all those things in the that shortage amount of food only. So there will be a specific planner, like there will be a 3 slots, day, evening and night, like based on the things that they'll be carrying out to the space, we'll be giving a plan for them, like they have to intake only this amount of food in a morning session and evening session and a night session, and we'll be giving a planning for the oxygen and water also, so there will be no efficiency or shortage of food, water and oxygen while they are carrying out the space mission in the space.
Do you think till now they have not done this? Because without planning their food, how many number of days they are going to be in the space, how much food they are going to consume every day, without calculating those basic things, will they go into the space?
Ma'am, there is a incidents that have happened, ma'am. Like while they are in the space, there will be like they are not able to come as they think also. Like if they are planning for 30 days, it can be extended up to 40, 60 or 80 days also. As we know, Sunita Williams, like she was not able to come as they planned also. So there will be a shortage of food, oxygen and water, ma'am. So we are planning to give them in an efficient manner so that there will be a no shortage for anything, ma'am. So like there will be like in the shortage amount of time, there will be a cruise ship, ma'am. If the supply of cruise ship is not able to reach the space, means there will be again deficiency in that also. So we are planning to give a track, like there will be a track. So if they are having a efficiency also, we are able to manage, like the app that we are planning is there will be a 30 days efficiently, even though the shortage amount of food is there, we'll be able to manage for a 30-40 days, like that, ma'am. We are thinking like that, ma'am.
Then what you are going to facilitate for them? You sending food or what?
No, sir, we are not sending food. We are managing the food track that they are intaking the food, ma'am. So
No. Why you are building an app for that? If you have a sheet, it's enough, or if it is available in the website, it's enough. Because each and
website,
every day there is the astronauts are not going into the space to use the app, right?
no, ma'am. Here only we'll be tracking everything and we'll be giving a plan for them, and they'll be taking that in a
Once you are done the
consideration.
plan,
Now
it
also
is
they are doing plans
Sir,
for staying around 30 days, means they will carry food for 30 days.
yes, sir. They will carry food.
Yes.
For the returning, they will be. We can't say that they will be coming in a 30 days itself, sir. Like they can, it will extend up to 40
Then
or
how
60.
you decide for 35 days
Sir, sir,
or
we are
40 days?
planning. Sir, there will be a calculation. If we enter this much of amount of food we are carrying, it will give a proper way.
Can you
It
show the
will,
that calculation?
sir, right now, actually we are building, sir. If you want, we can check, sir.
You have to show, no?
Okay.
okay. To do that, you have the data set available.
Ma'am, we are giving the data as an input. Without, as we know, there will be so much planning while they are going for a space. Without any data, they will be not entering into a space when we.
No, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about, so to make this nutrition planner, you need an input, right?
Like,
If they are carrying the
yeah,
food
ma'am,
for
we
30
will be
days,
giving.
how to be managed for 50 days? You are going to do that. To
Yes,
calculate
ma'am.
that, you need a data.
Yes, ma'am. We need data, ma'am.
From where did you get that data set?
Ma'am, like we actually search it from the websites that is in NASA and ISRO, and they'll be having a meal prep, ma'am. They will be taking only this much amount of food, and only this type of food only they'll be carrying, ma'am.
Now,
So
what
based
process
on
are
that,
going for calculating the food and beverages?
based on their height, weight, and age, sir, we are planning like that.
Okay. Okay. Go for next slide. Okay.
I'm Srishti. In front end, we are using Tailwind CSS and React.js for tables and forms. Next, we are using MySQL and MongoDB for a database for storing astronauts' data and food inventory. In backend, we are using Node.js with Express.js. Why? Because we are using in backend means for logic and meal calculations. We are using chart.js and React for data visualization for develop diet plans and usage of graphs. Next will be continued by my teammate.
Who will going to explain? Start.
Meghana Yadav on the mic.
Hi, ma'am. Correct. Now I'm going to start about feasibilities and viabilities. Basically, feasibilities means the challenges which we are going to face while building this project. The main things which we can face like databases and the technical challenges. For this project, we are using Node.js for backend and React for frontend. And data like height, weight, and food type can be easily available from the astronauts themselves, so that we can calculate their daily intakes of calories and everything. To calculate the nutritions they are gonna take, we are using the common nutritional formulas and. Cloud and storage, they make the scalable for longer missions. If they have something like it can extend for more days, like if they plan for 1 month, it can be extendable for 1.5 months, like that, so that for those longer missions we can use the cloud storage. And also these tools are available and affordable also. And I'm overing to Meghana to explain viabilities of the project.
Good evening, ma'am. Now I am explain viability. Viability means how it is useful and how it will be practical. It is manages food inventory and preservation and emergency backup, ensures balanced diet, fair distribution during food storage, supports astronauts' physical and mental health, can be extended for real space research and training programs. Next, health and benefits. Impact and benefits of this project, sir. Its impact healthy. and it gives the health impact through keeps astronauts healthy with balanced diets and fair food sharing, and it improves vision safety by planning backup food and handling emergencies. Next continued by Deepika.
Myself, Deepika. And benefits. The impact is health benefit. Uh, by using this concept, astronaut health will be healthy and it will be in a balanced diet. It improves mission safety by planning backup food. For suppose in some missions there will be no backup food, but by using this app we will prepare the backup of food and to maintain the food in the remaining food and
Till
it will
now,
be
I didn't
extended
get
to
how
any
you
other day.
calculate the diets.
Diets are things they will go the
Your voice is not
there will be some
clear.
preservatives, there will be some preservative foods, sir. There will be some fresh foods, sir, and some like there will be no vitamins, so we will send supplements and pills, medication kit. On it's on how many astronauts and how many days. Depending on that, the website will divide it into too many to equal partitions to each and every astronaut. And there will be also social benefit like if they can go
Can you
their
share
favorite
any
food to
demo
this.
for that?
Yes, sir, there will be a demo. ಇದನ್ನ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಕಳ್ಸು ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ.
Your
Guys, what
time
are the
is
algorithms
going.
are you going to develop this for? Algorithms. Kirtana, Deepika, I will ask for you only.
Yes, sir. We are using
Okay.
HTML, CSS, and mixed with Python.
Is that the algorithms?
No, sir.
HTML, CSS is the algorithms.
No, sir. These are language.
Language.
Yes.
See, are you
Right.
understand my questions?
Yes,
What are
sir.
the algorithms to develop the? Are you going to develop right applications? For the applications, what are the algorithms are you going to include in this?
BMI.
A particular.
Sir, by using the BMI calculator, sir.
Which
Based
one?
on BMI calculator. BMI calculator.
Only
It's
that one.
not algorithm, but it is based on that, sir. Like height and
In
it will
previous
take
slide,
height to
you are
8.
mentioning right. In previous slide, you are mentioning the algorithms for diet purpose and all.
Yes, sir. That's the main algorithm. Like it is based on the whole thing is working
Only
on
one
the height
algorithms.
weight.
Only one algorithms working for whole system.
Sir, the project is like this, sir.
Huh?
The project is that prototype is like.
Purely based on DIM only. Ne? Is it purely based on DIM only or not?
Sir, it is little bit based on BMI. We are working on it, sir. What else
Only DIM.
algorithm we can?
Only
No,
only
no, sir,
DIM.
no, sir. BMI.
BMI.
BMI, body mass index. Sir, this is the sample, sir. If we press configure crew, we can manage like number of astronauts, number of mission days, and oxygen efficiency in the spacecraft. And if we press configure crew, we can add astronaut members based on number of astronauts. Like after entering the all members, if we press save and next, it will show we have to enter manually. Like we have to, we are working on that, sir. We have just prepared this.
Okay. Okay. Next team.
No.
Mobile is on. Time is running out.
ನಿಂಗೂ ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಬಿಸಿಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೆ. 7 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ, ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತದಿಲ್ವ? ನಂಬರ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಂದಾಗಿಷ್ಟು ಅದು ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಇದೆ.
Next team. Make them to join immediately, no?
Next team.
Sir, join at group channel.
Go for next team, team 6. Team 5 is skip for team 5. Next team, team 6.
Next, fourth team. You guys have to finish within your defined time.
Speaker is off, Vanita. Vanita, speaker is off.
Okay, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yeah, now you are audible.
Yes, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Vanita Lakshmi, and I would like to start with my presentation. So, our project was about healthcare. It falls under the category of healthcare. So, I would like to share my screen.
First, you have to define your idea clearly.
Okay, sir. Sir, our entire team will explain about the project. Our project was about telemedicine access for rural areas, especially in the places like Naba. So next will be continued by Pooja.
Good evening, ma'am. Today I am here to explain about the solution of our problem statement. Like we are building an digital health platform, which is especially to connect a rural families with a doctor, and also providing all accessibilities in their phones, like having any video consultancy with doctors and get guidance from any smart assistants like AI, and also to break the barriers like long traveling and um, waiting for a long queues for the appointment. To come over these problems, we are making this platform and it will be useful in remote areas.
Okay.
Next, technical.
Right now, there is no such apps where they provide the online consultancy for the patients.
Sorry, ma'am.
Right now, there are no other applications who provide the online consultancy for the patients.
There are such websites, but in the Punjab, specific areas, there is a shortage of internet and low connectivity and low bandwidth. Such apps are not built.
Then how you guys going to connect without internet?
Sir, we are using the internet, but with low bandwidth, and sir, VC and Doxy, me such websites like such.
ಭೂಮಿಕಾ ನಿಂದು ನಿಮ್ದು ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ದು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
The technical background, the framework we are using for this is Next.js, which is a React framework, React.js framework, which is file based, which helps in the file based routing and server side rendering and static side generations, which one for the styling purpose, we are going to use Shard CN9 Tailwind CSS, which is built-in library for the styling of websites. Our main language will be TypeScript, which provide type safety for the underlying language, and JOD will be user input validations. Next part will be carried out by my teammates.
Shambhu, we are not talking about the technical part. They are talking about the topic itself. So what they are saying is in Punjab areas, as you said, so because of some low internet connectivity or something, as you said, if there is no connection, how we are going to provide the consultation for those patients?
Available eager data availability ಇದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಬಟ್ higher speed of bandwidth ಇಲ್ಲ
you have to explain it in English only, Shambhu. Yeah.
In the rural areas we don't have 5G and high bandwidth, so we are going to use low bandwidth website which consumes less bandwidth, which gonna run on 3G and 4G.
Okay.
It may take around 2 or more seconds, right?
Yes.
If it is low bandwidth also, but they are connecting with the patients.
Yes, sir.
What about your idea?
Sir, it's mainly about daily wage workers, which instead of wasting another day for the consultation, it's gonna be within some time frame only, without sacrificing the other works.
So the third question is, if already there exists such app, what is the new thing you are going to give? What is the different idea you are going to present? If
Your
already
new
there is
application and advantages.
yeah.
Those kind of applications are paid applications, and we are going to integrate AI symptoms analyzer, which gonna help
Are
them.
you adding any new features in that?
Sir, which gonna help, which will give remedies, homemade remedies, or any other consultations for them.
If we go through Gemini app means we will get the remedies.
So, but
Sir.
but
But
this is specially designed for medicine purpose only. So it gives more accurate answers than Gemini and
Yes.
all.
that
For
LLM
particular
model will
disease.
be optimized for this purpose only, sir. The user prompt will be and change for generic questions and these medical questions.
Sir, even though if such websites are available, but the Punjab areas like Naba don't the peoples over there have no idea, sir. So we are building the website for particularly Punjab areas,
Then how
like
you
as
train?
specified.
Then how you train that guys through this one?
So we have voice assistants also. We have also implemented voice assistant in the chatbot. So through that voice assistant, they could communicate with the chatbot easily, so that they'll get to know about the solutions for their problems.
They can talk in their mother tongue also.
Yes.
It will be clearly converted.
Yes, ma'am.
So what the advice they will get back, that will also will be in the understanding format for the patient.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
We'll
Same.
we'll try to implement that also.
Okay.
Samir, you said you're going to develop the website or application,
It's
Web
a
application, sir. It's a web
web
application.
application.
Yes, website.
You're not clear about the topic.
No, sir. We can call it web application or web apps.
Website.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Next slide. Move to next. So what you are doing is, there are actually there is already in a chatbot as well as already voice assistant. You are merging all those into one platform, right?
Yes.
So where you can consult doctor and where you can get an AI response to it, as well
Yeah.
as
Chandralinga, just 2 3 seconds.
next slide with local language support, government or local.
Yeah, ma'am. Well, works well in the rural areas. As earlier we said, we use the low bandwidth and it works smoothly. So it doesn't require the high speed data. Next, partners with the pharmacies, like nearby pharmacies, like in offline, like how doctors specify the particular medical. So in that way, we specify the nearest medicals to take the medicines over there. And next, keeps personal data privacy private and secure. Like in any point of view, the security is most important. So the this website is highly secure, so affordable for families. Like it doesn't require uh, it doesn't cost high, so it can be accessible to everyone.
Actually, I have one doubt. They
Yeah.
can connect the doctor as well as you are giving the AI suggestion based on the symptoms. Both.
Yeah.
yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Both.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. Live doctor consultancies, and also they can use chatbots to consult for like For
How are you going to provide the security to the medical data?
Like ma'am, for example, if the person is has registered with the user ID and password, the extra personal details, how we fill the personal details, those will be secured, ma'am.
How you are going to say it is secured?
We will do encryption for that, sir.
In what format?
Encryption, sir. Encryption.
Yes, in what format you are encrypted?
RSA, sir.
That's
RSA.
data.
RSA.
RSL algorithm.
It can be decrypt also, no?
No, sir. It's gonna need a lot of computation powers for them to crack this.
Okay.
Hi, sir. Local services showing the fewer doctors and touch travel from the healthcare in Naba and nearby villages, and also support the successful project like eSanjeevani through how the online healthcare helps and rural India, and also World Health Organization advice on using the digital tools in village health, and also stories and feedback from rural patients, doctors, and health workers about the daily challenges, and also data from the government health reports and local interviews.
Okay, next team.
thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
ನಂದಕ್ಕೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
MetaMinds, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It is visible. You can start.
So good evening, ma'am. We are MetaMinds. Basically, our group consists of 6 members. Myself, Bhargav, Harsha, Manogna, Akash GR, the team leader, and Sumant and Ankita. As Smart India Hackathons problem statements as given to us, we have chosen the problem statement ID number 25074. That is AI powered farming assistant for Kerala farmers. This is based on a AI powered personal farming assistants available for a mobile application with voice enabled chatbot support in Malayalam and as well as in English. So this problem statement, as we have chosen the Keralian farmers are facing challenges over various challenges like climatic changes, market access, suitable labor, soil degradations, shortage of labors, and this Krishi Saki. It is a mobile application, and which is going to help in a real time personalized recommendations on crop management, weather forecasting, pest detection, market insights, and government schemes, helping farmers adopt a sustainable profitable farming practices. So that ma'am, here we our solution is to get to the remote places where the as a literacy rate or digital literacy rate in Kerala is more higher, as the government of Kerala has taken the Digi Keralian project, which is consist of 2,500 volunteers, consist of students and volunteers. They formed the revolution of digitalization in Kerala, so that every family consists of a digitalization or technology, or simply saying a mobile or still operated mobile laptops, so that every family has a digitalization, digital support to them. So on regarding that positive advantage, so we have reforming the AI powered personal farming assistant. This is a mobile application, and it is going to it is a voice enabled chatbot. It is going to have a voice enabled with from the login itself. That means some remote peoples, that is some farmers where they are going not having the knowledge to fill the basic forms of their names, their date of birth, some such as etc. So our mobile application, it is a voice enabled chatbot, so that it could ask the question such as uh, please tell your name, so that
Just a
the
minute,
person
Bhargav.
or a user.
Just a minute, Bhargav. Please turn on the camera, Ankita, Arsha, uh, because this will be recorded. We need this for a proof. So switch on the cameras. Yes. Okay, you can continue.
Uh, as it is a voice enabled, it is going to ask some questions such as what is your some name. It can be in Malayalam or in English. It is going to be supporting as a it is based on Kerala farmers. It is majorly in Malayalam, so that it is going to ask what is your name. So if the user tell it is as my name is Bhargav, it is going to store the data names in a database such as Bhargav. His name is Bhargav, date of birth so and so. All it is only a voice enabled, and it is also being hand in a future ways, and it also going to help in crop management, weather forecastings, etc. Then next, moving on to the technical approach, as various features it is going to access.
Anything new doing here, Bhargav? Anything new thing? Because already I think you have only done the project in the previous sem, like predicting the crop, which will give the good uh, means money to the farmers or something like that. What is the new thing you are going to do in this project? Only the voice enabled chatbot, right? That's it. Translator, that's it.
Ma'am, ma'am, most of all in Kerala, as they have given this problem statement, we have searched in various platforms, ma'am. They have given they is not having an assistance such as in Karnataka we are having Dishank. So they are not having such like platforms where to access.
In the chance, it only showing the location and crops.
Yes, sir. But in this platform and an app, it is going to recommend it is the systems and
In
plans.
your idea, what is the functionality of that?
Sir, sir, if it is going to ask some, sir, as Kerala is full of mountain ranges, it is going to it is not having the it is having less cropped area, so that they if the farmers are an users where they are going to paste they are going to add their land information, such as if they having consider it, if they having 1 acres of land or 2 acres of land, this platform is going to design a seasonal crops, how they are going to plan for the seasonal crops, such as if if we place in the nominal way, they are going to play complete arecanut in 1 acre. That is going to give the funds, or a profit in some months of a year. But if we plan correctly, and if we suit if it suits the soil, we can get the profits in whole year, and whole 12 months of 12 months of a year. So that this platform is going to give a sustainable plan for a farmers, so that they can going to plan for their land, what are the aspects where they can place that if half acre of land is going to be planted arecanut, and it middles in that middle of that arecanut, we can plant some various seasonal crops, or some flowering plants, such as, sir, it is going to
In
design.
Kerala, in Kerala, the major tea is the major crop, right?
Yes, sir.
How you incorporate this, tea trees, sorry, tea plants in that areca?
Sir, actually, on basics, sir, tea plants is going to, sir, basic needs of tea plants is shade, sir. So as we plant areca in between the tree plants, it is going to give the shade for tree plants, so that it is also giving the profit in summers, so that areca is going to give the what profit in winters and rainy seasons. So this is going to plan in such a way, that we can, as Kerala main crops is basically various main crops are there in Kerala, sir, such as they are also even growing paddy, wheat, something, on something extra seasonal crops. So they can also even plan seasonal crops in that, to get the more profit in various ways. So this platform or an mobile app is going to give the sustainable plan for that. And we can and also next, it is also going to give the weather reports, such as Kerala is having the diverse soil erosions, such as even more floods, so that it is going to give the weather reports, sorry, weather reports in futures, what is going to happen. It is going to predict the weather reports. It may also give the weather reports, sir. So wait, cool. So that another feature, it is going we are going to add one minute now, integration of government schemes in farmer communities. That means what are the government schemes and subsidies the government is giving to that particular crop, or what are the farmer communities are giving the subsidies. It is also going, it is these schemes, and the animated videos to apply for that government schemes also are being integrated in this platform. And it is also and other feature is the crop advisory based on the soil, season, and the region. That means if basically Kerala,
Can you show the outcome of the idea? Just you
Sir.
show the outcome of the idea.
Sir, outcome means, sir, we have not developed, sir. Huh? Change
This is the idea.
Yes, ma'am. It is, ma'am. Basically, we have not still generated that outcome, sir. So
then how you conclude this?
Yes, sir. This is an idea.
Yes, madam. Idea is correct.
Yes, sir. This is the basic idea, sir. This is the basic idea. After that, we are going to implement this idea with our knowledge using like app development. Using this, uh,
Okay.
like this idea will we are going to develop. First of all, sir, this is a basically a agriculture platform. That means you are a lone farmer. That means you don't know if you know about the crops itself, but you don't know about so much information about crops particularly. I'm going to give a brief description about this. Uh, what is do in the mobile application, sir. Sir, basically from starting stage, from the stage of like soil test and from the stage of the region and the soil and the crop and season along with the market trends. There it goes. From all the calculation based on that means we are
Time
going
is
to
running
go
out.
with previous data, sir.
Time is running out.
Sir, previous data. So we are going to choose the crop. Along with that, we have the idea of connecting the farmers along with the market. Along with that, we are going to predict the crop what we are going to sow at this time. At this time, using previous data, sir. Along with that, we can pick using not only previous data. Along with that, in which season we are going to grow that crop as suitable for that land.
So that the farmers in Kerala, they can improve the crop yield and income, get the profit sustainably over the years, sir. And it also reduces the loss from unpredictable weathers and pests. And also it is this platform is having the chart support. They can also interact with the farm officers of agriculture officers, so that they can have the good knowledge about what and all the crops and the pesticides can be used at that particular time. And it is also an eco-friendly and promotes the eco-friendly and sustainable practices, and it also empowers the farmers knowledge.
Along with, sir, we have if the model, that means the voice chat is not like not understand properly, we are going to provide the nearby agriculture officers contact number, so they can define the problem. Along with that, they can get the solution if they are concerned about like about the diseases.
Next slide.
That's it.
Okay. Next team.
Can we leave now?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
You can start.
Hi, good evening, ma'am. Hi, good evening. Hi, good evening, sir. Sir, today we are gathered here for the Smart India Hackathon. In our team, we are very much interested in doing this. Um, Sir, we have selected our team members are Chan Basava, Nitya, Prashant, Abhishek, and me, sir. And we have selected a project by the name called uh, Tourist Safety, sir. In problem statement, the tourist safety, which includes the biggest threats, concerns, the tourist concern, and some of the tourists are do not aware about the local information or any dangerous areas. So our we have trying to improve the quality that the travelers in India, the biggest field of revenue and others are the tourist field. In tourist field, in present situation, some of the solo travelers, travel agencies, and other enthusiasts which are enthusiastic in the traveler, they are trying to be aware about the places they visit. So the problem statement is that for the solution we have made a tourist app that includes uh, the app which includes the blockchain. In blockchain, in the first, the traveler or the tourist which we have that came now, we have the make one digital ID for the tourist, so that the ID have some basic KYC. That KYC will be available for the dashboard of police emergencies and others. So that in blockchain, we are using the blockchain because of safety information of the tourist or the traveler. And then next we are using the geofencing which helps the traveler or the unknown person or the tourist, in if the tourist came to the dangerous places, they have get a alert notification, that is dangerous alert. In app we have some dangerous place, we have marked the dangerous places and some uh, restricted areas, in so that the traveler can clearly understand, and the traveler can explore more with worrying less. The main importance of the traveler, they do not be panic about the places that they visited. So that our app also optimizing battery condition, in which the battery condition is less na, that time our app helps the traveler to in our app the maps are also available for the traveler. So that uh, the traveler have make one property that smart choices for the safe traveling. If you have safe travelers, must be smart choices. That smart choice should be our app, that is tourist app, in which our tourist app explores more information by worrying less to the traveler. So that the it attracts the audience. The audience are nothing but solo travelers, travel agencies, and then tourists who have enthusiasts and interested in the traveling. And our main project can be continued by the next our team member.
Good evening, sir. I'm Chanbaswa. Our topic is tourist safety, and we are developing the tourist safety app regarding which the blockchain and the geofencing is used. Where when a tourist arrives to a location, he or she needs to be done with minimal KYC, where they get the emergency or the digital ID through which they can access the app, and they can show their they can check their trip plans, nearby safety places information, safety score based on the location travel pattern. If the tourist enters unsafe zone, app sends them the alerts based on which they can change their patterns of the plan, and they can go through the safety areas. The system uses geofencing, in which if the tourist enter restricted or highly risking area, the app instantly warns them, alerts them and the authorities that they have entered the highly risk areas. Uh,
As of my knowledge, that The people, when they try to travel, they will make an itinerary, right? So they will come to know which are all the dangerous places, which are all the good places to be visited. So while planning itself, they will get to know these are all dangerous places. Why they need once again the geofencing?
No,
Because
ma'am.
without
Like
planning, nothing goes anywhere, right?
yes, ma'am. While planning, we can know the safety places and the dangerous places. But in some areas, in some areas, you can go through like Bihar, UP. There, the bases of the gangsters and other areas where accidents and other climatic actions, where it is very unsafe to go through that route. That is also mentioned in our plan. So I'm here to show my uh, code and the UI that we still developed.
Okay, means what you are saying is, um, if any sudden natural calamities like uh, if there are high tides or if there is a chance of flood, are you saying about that, or usually there will be more like fights or accident? You are talking in that way, sudden
Like
disaster, or usually
all
the
together, all together, ma'am. If, the disasters happened in the past and the disasters happening right now. Like the accident can't be predicted right now. Just when it happens, it will be it will be directly shown in our app, so that the tourists who are planning their route through that area, they can divert or they can choose the other areas to trip.
yeah, I admit it. But what my thought, my thinking is, while planning itself, they will come to know this is very dangerous place. We no need to go. If they are planning on the spot, they need the what you said, geofencing.
Geofencing.
If it is pre-planned, they will get to know about all the places, dangerous, how safety, what we have to take, um, what we don't need to carry. I think
Yes, ma'am.
they will think about it, and only then they will start traveling. I
Yes,
think
ma'am.
so. Uh, it's good. But I think it still needs something new to this. Like if you're dealing with tourism,
Yes, ma'am.
um, like you can see in Amazon or Flipkart, right? This
Yes,
is
ma'am.
my best choice. This is my best choice. They used to give on the products,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So in that, you can, if you are dealing with tourism, you can suggest this hotel is the best choice, or this lodge is the best choice, or this place is the good time to visit in that time. That suggestions may be good in tourism, but the geofencing, I don't think it will be that much helpful.
Yes, ma'am.
In some remote places, new peoples can't identify the threats. For example, if we are going to the Jogamati, we should not go in bikes and overload in bikes, and car should be not overloaded, and we should not throw the plastics. And also in Chikmagaluru, they will check the vehicle. If there are any plastics, they will not allow us to go for the Mulangiri. So on that cases, we give the cautions for the tourist people by the mentioning it in the geofencing that we should not. This is the forest area.
Before going for Chikmagaluru, I'll just see one blog in the YouTube. They will explain everything. You should not carry the plastic. You should not be overload. Everything it will be explained in one video itself.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
I said for example, ma'am, for we are planning to unknown status. There will be states. There will be no YouTube videos as no. If we going for the Jammu and Kashmir, there will be more less oxygen level and very cold. We should, if a person are having some certain
Okay.
very
You're talking
sensitive
about
to cold,
unexplored areas.
ma'am.
Okay. You're talking about unexplored areas.
Unexplored areas, ma'am.
then it is valid.
So, ma'am, as per your concern, we are using the tools like we're using a blockchain and AI for to AI watches tourist to movements and their patterns. If the tourists are allowed to choose their pattern, choose their route to go with this route. When the tourist are go in another route, it will track they are missing their spot. AI will automatically detect it will they are moving another spot and alert. And the website also includes an panic button like SOS button. If there any incident occurs when they are at the present location. They click an SOS button. The information is get to the police or any authority nearest to them. This features is also included in this website, ma'am. And we are is there if there any chances we are also using some IoT things like smart bands or watches to track them where they if there are any network issues like networks down in their area or remote locations like, ma'am.
And we are using the dashboards for the tourist and for the maintenance of the control room of the tourist department. For the dashboards displays the tourist and incident live maps. It helps to the dashboards helps the tourist people to locate a incident in the live map, and it we use a map APIs to mark the any incident in the maps, and also mention the any mention any SOS receives the SOS alerts from the particular location by using the map APIs and dashboards. And we used a smart not IoT safety bands that gives us the signal from the tourist with the low network areas like remote areas of forests, and we can get the easily signals from the tourist from their devices by if they are not moving from the far time, and also if their mobile got switch off, we we will if the mobile are not switch on for the far time, we will get notification from them and give it to the tourist department. We use for this the IoT safety bands.
Which blockchain you are thinking to use?
Ethereum or like Ethereum, mainly we are using. Like further explanation will be done by Nitya.
Why
In
you are
terms of
why you are planning to take Ethereum only?
Because it is highly available, and it is the most recent and the well developed technological blockchain available right now.
Technological blockchain, or it is very easy to use, easy to
Use.
access.
Sorry, easy to access.
in terms of further implementation, we can integrate with airport hotels for auto ID generation. If the tourist visits the airport or hotel, the system will automatically generate the ID to the tourism, which makes faster and secure, and it also reduces the chances of fake IDs. And second, AI predicts the overcrowd, and for health monitoring, we can integrate the wireless
wireless band like smart watches and fitness band which gives the health of tourism like heartbeat and oxygen and stress if any yeah, if any unusual things happen, it will notify the medical help immediately. And the partnership with government for making official safeties of the tourism, which make the tourist for strong trust and strong trust. Thank you.
Ma'am, in our app, the tourist have gave the reviews, ma'am. Based on that reviews, the next traveler or the next enthusiastic traveler can use the tourist app based on this, ma'am. They have know about the that unrestricted area or the tourist area. They get the better knowledge about that area, ma'am.
If you like, I would like to show 'em, what are the updates till now we have done, and how the UI looks like. And this is our UI where you sign up with your KYC, and you get the digital blockchain ID. Using that, you can log in with your own password and the email ID. After registration, after getting your blockchain ID, you will be notified to this platform where the SOS is here. You can use this SOS message to whenever you get threatened, or like whenever you have the emergency, you can use this SOS button. This is the map where we are
Chamba, so time is over. Just conclude it.
yeah, yes sir, this is our UI which is we are going to develop. Thank you sir.
Next tip. Start ಮಾಡಿ.
Good evening, everyone. So, myself, Sanjana. Our and our teammates were going through the hackathon problem statement for develop a digital mental health and physiological supportive system for the students in an higher education. So nowadays, a college students facing the mental health issues like stress, anxieties, and depression, but they are not using the counseling services because of stigma and the lack of awareness. So no proper systems were available. So colleges they're not having a track for the students. So our goal is to conduct a digital mental health supportive system for the hiring the students. next like for in this in this problem statement we are going to we are going to implement some of the features through an a website app through an a website like an accessing the self assessment and like AI first aid and booking the counselings and feedback and admin counseling. These are the futures we are going to implement in our projects. And next we are continued by Navya.
Yes, and then we have to implement it futures like self-assessment, AI guided, and booking system and admit dashboard peer support. What uh, we have to do in self-assessment tools. We have to do self-assessment in. We have to conclude five ranges, 0 to 5 ranges. In students are facing anxiety issue in midnight, like before the exam. So we have to included 0 to 7 ratings means range. We have to include self-assessment in minimum 5 questions. So that's why students are rated to that questions. Next, we have to implement an AI guided first aid coach. Like that's a chart board. Student has put their questions included. I'm very stressed in exams like that. The chatbot replied breathing exercise and asking tips like that. We have to implement a voice chat also in that future. And next we have to implement a booking system. First to self-assessment we have to maximize the 5 ranges though so that time above the 5 ranges students are facing highly stressed. So that moment we have to students are booking the slots in the booking platform. Next admin dashboard are maintained by admins. So above the 40% students are booking the slots. That's the moment we have to conduct the workshops like that. Next we have to share the technical approaches explained by Madhu.
Here we are using the technologies like HTML, CSS, and JS. CSS is style our website, and JavaScript is the our web page is dynamic and intelligent. So that's why we are using the JavaScript. CSS is our web page is style. That's why we are using the CSS, and
1 minute,
HTML
Madhu.
mainly used
Asha
to
and Sanjana, turn on the cameras.
website.
Madhu, just a minute.
Create our website.
Madhu, just a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Asha and Sanjana, turn on the cameras. I think Sanjana, you have logged in 2 accounts. So whoever logged in, please turn on the camera. It is recording. Asha. Turn on the camera, Asha, Madhu. Asha, am I audible?
And Akila.
Yeah, ma'am.
Where is Asha? Okay, continue. Madhu, continue.
Using the using the existing technologies like web dashboards and booking systems that are readily available, it can be built
Okay,
by
ma'am.
integrating with the AI models. Ma'am. So it is easy for the students to use the simple dashboards and all, and its initial cost is very limited. Like everyone can use it, and also once developed, the maintenance costs is also low here, and it can be officially implemented by the universities or the institutions for the welfare of the students. Students, ma'am. Next is continued by Madhu.
Ma'am, network issue, ma'am. 1 second.
Yes, ma'am. This is our overview of our project.
Okay, how we are going to support the students?
Ma'am, in rural areas, that time
The
that
people
excess
are aware
Ma'am,
of
some
the stress
network
and all,
issue,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So we are providing the website for
If the people are not aware about stress and all, how will they be able to know about the application you have built on stress? Did you understand my question? If the rural
ma'am.
people don't know about what is stress and all, then how we are going to use this app?
We will inform.
Ma'am,
We
we
will
will,
make
ma'am, we
inform
will
them,
create
ma'am.
the awareness of this website, ma'am, through social media, and we have to complete that our website.
What will they get to know if they get to know their anxiety level and all? How will you going to help them to reduce their anxiety?
So that we have to implement self-assessment tools, ma'am. That rule we have to mention 5 questions. So they measure the ranges. So the students are answered that question. There are ranges are shows in 0 to 5. So that time we have to know, ma'am.
Okay, I understood. Once I get to know my score, then what to do? After getting to know my score, I get to know that my
We have
anxiety
implemented a
level is
AI chat.
fine. Hmm.
Ma'am, when
Ma'am,
after
stress condition.
submitting the rate of the stressness, ma'am, if the patient is facing the
High
very
stress.
high stress means they can consult for the doctor, ma'am. We implemented like a booking counseling, ma'am, there, and also if they have any low stress level, they can interact with the AI first aid box, ma'am. Like we were implemented the voice box through voice box if they are not able to text. It gives only about the stress, ma'am. If they have any high, if they have any very high stress level, they can consult for the doctor by booking, ma'am, in online only. They can consult for the doctors, ma'am. If in
As of
emergency
my
case
knowledge,
also.
Sanjana, just a minute. As of my knowledge, rural students don't have the problem like anxiety and all. Urban students only have those anxiety. Rural students will be like, if the exam is gone, okay, it's okay, I will write next time. There will be no anxiety level or such kind of issues with rural students. Actually, as of my knowledge, I think urban students face this problem because there will be a competition. You have to get the first rank. You have to get that seat. You have to get in this college. You have to score this much. This anxiety will majorly play role with the urban students, not the rural students.
Yeah.
Rural
Okay.
students, in their case,
Ma'am, and
anxiety
also,
will be for teachers to make them to come and sit and write the exams.
Ma'am. Okay.
How many questions you are planning
ma'am,
to?
in the smart in the we have to measure 5 questions to control their range, ma'am. We have to implement it
Within
5 questions.
5 seconds, you are going to define their anxiety level.
Yes, ma'am. These 5 questions, they are answered. They are know about what level we have to stress.
Then why there are doctors for that? If they can answer within a 5 question and all, why there are psychiatrists and all?
stress is
Ma'am,
very high.
above the 5 stress level, they are booked the slots for conducting the ma'am. Ma'am,
When the stress level is low, that time I first aid
AI first aid chatbots
chat
can be
AI.
used, ma'am.
It gives the solution for those, man.
like like breathing exercise, they give tips also, ma'am. In case the students are below the 5 range stress. Above the 5 stress they are conducting and booking the slots.
Okay. So Shiva sir, Manjunath sir, any queries, sir?
From morning to evening, I am full stress. I don't know who to contact.
If you want, you also use my
Sir, we
website,
have to
sir.
only
You can use our website, sir, to check how much the level does you have the stress.
I am very I am very busy to use your website also. How can I go with that?
In stress only, I forget the website name.
Please continue.
You can go for the technical part.
ಜನರಿಗೆ ಅದೇ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋದು.
Next time, please join.
Sri Lanka. Technical.
In the technical background, Sri Lanka.
Ma'am, as we all know, that we in our project we use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML refers to hypertext markup language, and it is the standard language where we use to create the structure and content of the web page, and it may contain paragraph, images, links. Uh, to add these all, we use HTML, and coming for CSS, cascading style sheet. To change the visual representation of the HTML web page, we use CSS. To make effective, to make the web page effective way to see good manner, we use CSS. And next, JavaScript, continued by Madhu.
JavaScript is used to store the data. So it's also a website make stylish and intelligence. That's why we are using to JavaScripts.
Okay. Next team.
Ma'am, this is our front end implementation. Like in dashboard, we were implemented a self-assessment, AI first aid, and counseling. And
ನವ್ಯ ನವ್ಯ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದೆ.
It's
Impact
okay.
and
Next thing.
benefits, ma'am.
It's okay. It's okay. Next thing. We are concerned about only the idea now, not about the implementation. Okay, next thing. Next team, please join quickly.
ತಡಿ ಅವ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕೂತಾನೆ ಊರು ಮೈಕಾನೆ. Good evening, everyone. We are Team Ascendants. Myself, Mohammad Arfat. My teammates are Nitin Kumar, Nagaprajol B, Rahul Biradar, Kumar Chandrasekhar, and Anushka. So, Anushka, you can take over from here and give a brief introduction about our problem statement.
So, good evening, everybody. Our problem statement will be developing a blockchain-based system for botanical traceability of Ayurvedic herbs. Here in India, the Ayurvedic herbs are collected by many different people, like small farmers, forest collectors, and middlemen. Because of this, there is no any proper system, so it's very hard to know where the herb came from, if they are real or not,
Switch on the
and
camera.
Excuse me, ma'am?
Switch on the camera. Camera. Okay. Okay. You can continue. Okay, you can continue.
Okay, ma'am. So basically, it is very hard us to know from and if they are real or not, and whether they were collected in a safe and ethical way or not. So this causes problem like poor quality, fraud, and even damage to nature. So consumers and also companies can't fully trust the product, and it's very hard to meet export rules. So we are basically developing their blockchain based system. So further step will be covered by my teammates. Thank you.
Thank you, Anushka. So this is our working flow chart. So as you can see, this is our blockchain portal. Here a farmer can register freshly through his legal documents like his land documents, his geospatial data, and his farming license. So after verifying himself in our blockchain platform, then at each harvest he should freshly register or host his product into our blockchain portal. For hosting his product, he should upload his lab testing document, and then what season he growed, and then what kind of processing techniques he used, for example. So after hosting his product, he will get a QR code. This is QR number 1. So after hosting his product, a consumer can see his product in our portal. If we want to buy that product, he can start a smart contract with the farmer. So after buying, after the smart contract is started, the farmer can contact the transporter. Uh, so this QR he has generated, he should paste that QR to his product box. So which is shipping. So uh, when the farmer contacts the transporter, there is a QR number 2 generated here. So this by scanning this QR, farmer can easily track the location of the transporter. Transporter doesn't know what the package contains. This product QR is inside the package. When the consumer gets that package, when he scans the product's QR, he will get a uh, verification slip like this. In that verification slip, he can see what farmer is giving this product, his harvest location, his geospatial data, and what harvest date he harvested. Then what are the processing steps he used, then what are the guidelines he followed, and then the quality certificate. And is there any like for example, I have taken here moisture threshold. If the moisture threshold is exceeding, the slip gives a notice like moisture levels exceeded the threshold. By this, the consumer and the farmers in between trust will increase. So my teammate will take over here from here and explain the technical approach we've used.
So, yes, you are audible. Basically, I need to know what is the advantage of your project.
Mm,
If the farmer get the same product from the lab and they upload the data, like previously have uploaded, like I have grown here, I have maintained this temperature, I have maintained this moisturizing, everything he will upload, and he will once again give the fake product. How will you get to know?
Kumar, can I take over? Can I take over? So, ma'am, as I said, when he hosts this product, a QR code will generate. He should print that QR code, and he should affix that QR code on his each and every product of that harvest. So, when the consumer receives, when he scans that QR, he will get every information about that farmer and that land, and what are the processing steps and the quality certificate details. So, by this, the disputes between the farmer and consumer will get less.
Okay. This is the usage of blockchain. What are the new thing you are doing here? Just to make, if you make use of blockchain, it will be done, right?
So, ma'am, we are
The new
implementing
idea
an
is
AI
basically.
system. So, ma'am, we are implementing an AI engine that uses API key from uh, append treasure act which stores all the data which and certificates which are issued by the government like KSSOCA Karnataka State Seed and Organic Certification provides certificate for developing uh, organic products and selling them. So what this the append treasure act stores all the data. If we ask request the append treasure act for their API key from our side, like we are developing a project on the ಇದು on this particular problem. So we need your API key. If they provide us, we can make assurance and clearance of the certificate by this method. So there will be no tampering of the certificates. This is the addition that we are applying there.
Okay. I think it's good, not bad, but I don't feel like there is something new, innovative idea. So basically, where you need a trust, you have just applied the blockchain technology. That's it. Um, Okay. No need. This is just an idea round, right? We'll check it upon on implementation while implementation part. Will the fifth team will join now? From just for 5 minutes. That's it. Not more than that. Just we need a brief introduction about the topic. That's it. Make them join immediately. You can leave.
Thank you.
Make share screen कर दो.
I shall make it quick. No, it's
Okay,
already
ma'am.
8:23.
ये दबा ये दबा. Uh, Ma'am, our idea is on AI-based smart allocation engine for PM internship scheme. We are doing on smart automation. So idea is we are making a AI based smart matchmaking engine in which when candidate enters his profile, so our AI engine will match it with a internship of particularly PM internship scheme. We are particularly focusing on PM internship scheme, that is Ministry of Corporate Affairs. From there, a student will get his appropriate internship. In case if he does not get the internship according to his skills and his sector interest, then we have made an alternative. We will give innovation and uniqueness in our website is we will give him a personalized AI chatbot, a roadmap, and free courses of NPTEL, Swayam, Infosys Springboard, everything. This is personally made for all the students, including rural background. All the social categories are taken. For example, SC, ST. So, example, if internship is not there for rural, then they can go for roadmap and they can use free courses. And we have also provided mentorship. In mentorship, also everything is free. Like we are giving this opportunity for employees who are experienced employees, college professor, and NGOs, volunteers. They all can give mentorship to our students in free. And for them, extra point is if they are company employees, then from company when they give mentorship for the students, they will get certifications and batches or ranks from their company itself. So this is the solution what we have given for the SIH problem statement. Technologies used are in front end we have used React, White, and Tailwind CSS, and in backend we have used TypeScript AI matching engine. In AI matching engine, we are training a model using an AI/ML algorithm. So this is about technical approach. Escape.
Okay.
We should show prototype, no?
No. It's okay. Just we need an idea. It's okay.
Okay.
Okay, you can quit.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.